I did a video install. The company sent me another package. Let's take a look. Wow. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new to the channel, you're watching Donesan 707 and my name is Caesar. I'm here to show you that I have another install to do. This one is on the EVO 10. I got contacted by Last Fit LEDs and I did a video, and as you can see here in the video, it was kind of dark, kind of yellowy color, and I got more lights here. Let me open them real quick. And I believe I got two sets. I'm gonna be installing them on the dome lights and also the map lights. And let's get to it. The reason why I'm wearing this cap today is I just got it on the mail today. I went to the mail, boom, I got a package, and there you go. I want to give a shout out to Quicksilver09 for giving me this awesome cap. Thank you very much, and his link will be in the description below. Make sure you give him a follow. I usually don't record inside the house because these two reasons right here. I have two birds and they're very loud. That's why I'm usually recording inside the car. What I have here is kind of like a plier tool that came with my dash cam. I kept it, and I'm going to use it to remove this. You can use a small screwdriver. So what we're going to do here is put it here, apply a bit of pressure. Now on this side of the corner. Now we're going to work out our way in this side, and there you go. That's how it comes out, and that's the light. And it's not that hot. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna drop it, and it's hot. Yep, it's hot. So here we have the OEM light, the light bulb right here, and this is the LED, the Last Fit LED. What we're gonna do here is put them here. Hope I can capture this. Boom. Okay, there you go. Look, let's turn them on. Wow, that's pretty bright. That looks pretty good. Let's turn them both on. Here's the OEM, and here's the Last Fit LED. I usually don't use map lights or anything like that, but if I do, I want to make sure they're really bright, and definitely that is a winner. Last Fit LEDs. Okay, so I already removed the hot light bulb from the map passenger side, so we're going to install this one. Very easy to install, not too much force to put them in. Wow, these are pretty nice. Pretty good upgrade. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna place these back and make sure that you put the right side first. So what we're gonna do is, you see here it has like some little tabs. Make sure you put the tabs in, a little bit of pressure, and there you go. Let's install the driver's side for the tabs. As you can see them here. Put the tabs in, gently push in, and there you go. Now that the map lights are installed, let's move our way to dome light. See how it turns on, see how it's yellowy. Let's see how it looks, and it's not that bright. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off, so keep that light bulb cold so I don't get burned. I'm gonna attempt to try this with one hand. So with this tool right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it in here. Boom, and it came out and it hit me in the face. Here's the light bulb, so what we're gonna do is just remove it. Here we go, and it's hot. Okay, I'm gonna drop it because it's burning my hand. And what you're gonna do is put it the opposite way you took it off. So you're gonna put it in this side first. Put some pressure in, and with one finger, and that's it. That's all it takes. And there we go. It's a big difference. Well, as you remember, I'm gonna see if I can put the other clip here with when I did the first video. I did inside here and it was a little dim. Now that I have these on, they look pretty bright, pretty good. Turn these off. I have this extra one right here. Let's see if it fits on the light that's inside the trunk. Let's go check it out. So this is the one I was thinking about. I'm gonna remove this and see if we can install this remaining LED from Last Fit Okay, so I got the GoPro set up there. What I'm gonna do is try to disconnect this light. Unplugged it and take it out. Oh, that was easy. So here's the light. It's been on for a while, so I'm not gonna attempt to touch it because I know it's hot. So let's get this removed. Boom, and it hit me in the face. Man, I've been lucky today. I've been hit in the face all day. Okay, this is the way pretty much you will put it on, and then you put it up and it's gonna be illuminating the roof. So what we're gonna do is here rotate it and put it facing down. There you go. And you can see how bright it is now. Look at that. That's a big difference. Let's push it in here. And that's it. Okay, so that was it. We just installed 2 sets of light bulbs of the last fit LEDs. We did the dome light and we did the map lights. As you can see, much brighter now. I forgot to say thank you to Last Fit LEDs for sending me these light bulbs. I'm very impressed and happy to install them. It was pretty fun, and thank you very much. If you're interested on getting these light bulbs, I'm going to put the link to the description below. Make sure you order them, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.